Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Aubrey. I want to welcome you to the channel. And today we're going to go over different kinds of monetization requirements for many of the top streaming and content creation channels that are actually out there. Now, I have many of them on a slide here. There's a couple I don't have on the slide, but we're going to try to talk about those as best as we actually can. So hopefully this is the kind of content you're really looking at because you are looking to start being a content creator. You are looking to start being a streamer. You are looking to do anything in this kind of industry when it comes to these particular types of videos. So we're going to switch over to my computer. We're going to go over this just a little bit here so you have a much, much better idea of what you are looking at and what you're getting yourself into. So monetization, what does it take to make money on the largest platforms? So the first ones we're going to dive into are going to be YouTube and Facebook. Now YouTube, which is where I post pretty much all my videos solely, unless you're over on Twitter or X, I tend to post videos over in that particular area as well. So the main ones we're going to go over is YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also Twitter, which I don't have a slide for. Now, for the YouTube Partner Program, in order to get monetized with your YouTube channel, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. There are key requirements, though. Now, these are your primary ones. There are also a couple of other lower tiers that you can do, which we'll kind of touch base on for that as well. Now, the main ones that people are really looking at is that 1,000 subscribers. You got to have 1,000 subscribers on your channel. On top of that, you are going to need 4,000 hours of watch time in a single year. Now, if you have a really good year and you have 4,000 hours, and next year you have 1,000, there's a good possibility, well, not a good possibility, you will get removed from the actual YouTube Partner Program. So you have to make sure that you are staying on top of doing your content, whether it's weekly, whether it's every 2-3 days. You just got to basically make it where people are watching your videos and make it interesting. Are my videos interesting? They are here to cater to specific people, which if you're watching this, you're most likely wanting to grow or you're wanting to start your channel somehow in some form or fashion. Ad-friendly content. Your content must comply with YouTube's policies, including community guidelines and copyright rules. It means you can't really have copyright strikes left and right. So if you are making videos and you are doing, you're posting music, copyrighted music in there, you may not be able to get monetized until you get those strikes removed from your channel, which in some cases it can take a bit of effort if it's even able to be. Once you get all these done, then you can apply for monetization. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. If approved, you can earn money through ads, channel memberships, super chats, and more. There's a lot more that you can actually do. Now, when it comes to the lower tier of what you can do in order to make money and get monetized on YouTube, well, it's kind of a monetization. It gives you some additional benefits. Now, you can get 500 subscribers, and you got to be able to post 3 videos within 90 days. Now, what that's going to do is that's going to open up memberships. That's going to open up supers. That's going to open up the ability for you to promote your products on the channel. So if you ever look way over here on the far left on some channels, you're going to see products that people are actually posting on there. So you'll be able to actually do that and potentially make some additional money. That's not including doing Amazon affiliates or any of the other affiliate programs that are actually out there and available for you to take advantage of as well. Now, when it comes to YouTube, there is one more way to get monetized, and that's through YouTube Shorts. Now, you have to have 3 million views over the last 90 days, and you have to have 3,000 watch hours within the last 365 days. So it is more difficult to actually get monetized on YouTube with YouTube Shorts than it is with your long form videos. So it is one of a number of ways to get monetized on YouTube. You just got to make sure that you are staying on top of posting your videos. So Next one we are going to look at is going to be Facebook. Facebook ad breaks. Facebook allows you to monetize your videos through ad breaks. Here's what you need in order to get monetized over there. You need 10,000 followers. That's quite a few. Your Facebook page must have at least 10,000. Videos must be at least 1 minute long. You got 3-minute views. Videos need to accumulate 3 minutes of total watch time. Need to comply with Facebook policies. Your content should adhere to Facebook's content policies. And then once you have all that, then you can apply for monetization. Once eligible, you can enable ad breaks and earn revenue from ads during your videos, which is great. Then you can join the multitude of people and businesses in posting content over on Facebook. Next one we're going to talk about is going to be Instagram. Instagram offers several in-app monetization opportunities. You got subscriptions, which offers bonus content behind a paywall to your followers. Eligibility, professional account, 10,000 followers, 18 years old, eligible country, authentic engagement. So you have to engage with the people that are actually posting on there. Now you have people that are doing your faceless videos when it comes to Instagram and any of these other channels. So it's a matter of how you want to actually do these particular videos. You got reel ads. Monetize your Instagram reels through ads. The eligibility for this is comply with monetization policies. You have a professional account, you are a U.S. resident, and you are 18 years old. And badges, go live and allow viewers to purchase badges to support you during live videos. It's kind of like people over on YouTube actually giving you supers, giving you donations, things like that as well. So that's going to be Instagram. That's also not including if you want to get affiliate marketing. That's also going to be different levels of money that you can have coming in based off of the videos you're doing. Now, if you have people that want to pay you to actually post their content on your channel where you share them, a lot of times you're going to be looking at thousands of subscribers so that they can actually get you to promote their stuff over on your channel. Next one you're looking at is TikTok. I don't really dive into TikTok all that much myself. I think I've posted like maybe 2 videos out there. Just really isn't a platform specifically for me. Now, you do have all these other companies that have made their own variations like Reels and Shorts and things like that over on the different channels. But TikTok is one of the originators of the short form content, which we'll see what happens with that, see if it's going to get shut down in the US. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on with that. The TikTok Creator Fund allows you to earn money based on video performance. The eligibility, you need to have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the past 30 days. The adherence to community guidelines is your content must comply with TikTok's guidelines. You have to go read that yourself and see if your content doesn't have, maybe a bunch of cussing and nudity and things like that as well. You got to apply for the Creator Fund. It's basically getting monetized as well. Once eligible, you can apply and receive payments based on views and engagement. So there's a lot of ways that you can actually get monetized through these particular websites. Now, one of the ones I don't have a slide that I'm still going to go over is going to be Twitter or X. Now, you have the X ads revenue sharing. You got to have subscription to X Premium, which is formerly Twitter Blue. So pretty much anybody can have that little check mark. Follower count, you have to have at least 500 followers on your Twitter or X account. Engagement threshold, you have to generate at least 15 million impressions on your post in the last 3 months. That's a lot of impressions. So hopefully you are funny, you are posting a lot of content on there as well. The compliance, you must follow the platform's content and monetization standards and policies, which every site's a little bit different. You got to have an active account, regularly posting activity and compliance with X's rules. Now, you do have the ability to unlock things such as tips and subscriptions as well. Minimum age for tips, 18 years old. Got to have a follower count, which there's really not a specific follower count. The account should be active for at least 3 months. So you got to have if you start a brand new account, you really can't get any kind of monetization for at least 90 days. You got to make sure you complete your profile, including a profile picture and a bio. Your payment steps, you got to link a payment account for Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, you know, any of those ones. And compliance, you got to follow the X guidelines and standards. Now, subscriptions, you got creator subscriptions where you can have the minimum follower count of 500 plus followers. Minimum tweet count, you got to post at least 25 tweets in the last 30 days, so a little less than one a day. Got to be 18 years old, do the profile picture, bio, header image. Got to set up a Stripe account for payment setups when it comes to these. And then you have content compliance, adhere to X's monetization policies and creator standards. So there's a lot of stuff that you really got to do over on X, just like any of these other channels, to get yourself monetized. Now, general recommendations for monetization success: you got to maintain consistent engagement with your audience. You got to avoid violating X's terms of service, or TOS, or community guidelines. Create content that attracts followers and drives high levels of engagement. Those are ways you're going to succeed over on X. Now, the last one we're going to go over is going to be Twitch. Now, there's a lot of stuff that you can really do when it comes to Twitch. Now, for the affiliate program for Twitch, because there are a lot of people that want to get into doing Twitch streaming. First off, you need a good internet connection. I mean, if you are doing dial-up or you're barely paying for 1 meg, just don't even bother doing it, because it's just not worth it unless you play your game, record it, and you post it online on one of the other channels we've already gone through. Eligibility, you got to have 50 followers. You got to have 500 total minutes of streamed video within the last 30 days, approximately 8 hours. You got to have 8 different streaming days within 30 days. So do a week's worth of streaming over a month. You got to have 3 concurrent viewers. So you'll have some people that'll have 0. You'll have some people that have 1 and 2. You just got to basically keep grinding away and trying to get more and more people over there. Go to other channels and interact on other channels, because people will want to come and check your stuff out once your name starts getting out there, depending on the content you're doing. You want to do Grand Theft Auto role-playing? A lot of people are really looking for that kind of stuff, especially if you can be entertaining. You got benefits. You got the bits. Earn revenue from viewer donations using Twitch bits. Subscriptions has subscribers paying monthly fee to support you, and you got ad revenue, which ads can run during your streams once you reach affiliate status. So if you don't reach affiliate status, you can't get any money from ad revenue. So much like all the other channels, you want to make money, more money off of ads, you got to get affiliated with these particular sites. Unlock custom emotes for your subscribers as well. But wait, there's more. Beyond Twitch, you got donations and tips. You got sponsorships. You got merchandise you can sell. You got affiliate links. Like I mentioned, Amazon. You can actually do an Amazon affiliate link. So if you look at the very bottom of this channel, or at the bottom of this page, you are going to see affiliate links for a lot of the equipment that I am using, such as this microphone or the Rodecaster. You have video streaming websites. Consider creating your own website to retain more revenue and control over your content. You want to make more money? Start a website and see what you can do when it comes to that. This is a majority of what we're looking at when it comes to your monetization rules. As you can see, each channel has a whole bunch of different things that you need to learn about when it comes to getting monetized and making money. Obviously, you don't have to get monetized to make money. You do a tech review channel, you post down below the different kind of affiliate links that you're looking at, and people go click on them. You can do Best Buy, they got Walmart, Target. There's different channels that you can go to get affiliate status. So hopefully this video was educational. I know it's a little bit drawn out when it comes to what I normally do here, but hey, no videos are the same. So hopefully this is the kind of content you like looking for. I appreciate you coming and checking the channel out. If you do like this content, again, please hit subscribe down below, give a thumbs up, and also leave a message on the channel so it can hit the YouTube algorithm so I can grow and get more content out there for all of you. I thank all of you for coming and checking the channel out once again. If I don't have a video up before, I do wish all of you a happy Thanksgiving and a happy holidays. Until next time, guys, make sure you hit record and post your first video. Happy holidays. Hey guys, thanks for coming and checking out the video. If you haven't hit like and subscribe yet, do that. But YouTube also wants you to check out a video over here or a video over here. Check out one of these two videos because it could actually benefit you in the future.